Imagine if a police officer, who is supposed to be a role model for society, becomes involved in a scandal that tarnishes the image of the institution that is meant to uphold the law and justice. This is what happened to Maegan Hall, a female police officer in Vergne, Tennessee, who was caught in a major scandal in 2023. This case is not just about personal relationships, but also raises serious issues regarding ethics, harassment, and abuse of power within the police force. Maegan Hall, a female police officer working for the Vergne Police Department in Tennessee, was involved in sexual relations with at least 6 other officers. Not only that, these relationships also involved the exchange of intimate photos and videos, actions that clearly violate the ethics and discipline expected from law enforcement officers. However, what was shocking was Hall's claim that she was exploited by her colleagues, whom she viewed as predators. Hall felt trapped in a situation beyond her control, where the power and positions of her colleagues were used for personal gain. Once the case was revealed, the police department responded quickly. Hall and 4 other officers involved were fired from the Vergne Police Department. Even the police chief responsible at the time was also dismissed. This step showed that the police force was attempting to cleanse itself of these unethical practices, even though the actions not only tarnished the reputations of the individuals involved, but also the reputation of the institution itself. The matter did not end with the terminations. Maegan Hall filed a lawsuit against the city of Vergne, claiming she was a victim of workplace harassment. Although the city did not admit to any wrongdoing, they eventually reached a settlement worth $500,000 in March 2024. Despite the legal resolution, many feel that this did not address the larger issues of law enforcement agencies' responsibility for the actions of their members. The Maegan Hall case opened many eyes to much larger issues within police institutions. Issues of abuse of power, sexual harassment, and workplace injustice became the main focus. This case highlights the need for stricter policies regarding relationships between employees and protection for victims of sexual harassment, especially in law enforcement agencies that are supposed to be safe places for the public. The Maegan Hall case is not just a personal scandal, but a stark reminder for all institutions, including law enforcement, to maintain integrity and ethics within their workplaces. Law enforcement agencies must continually evaluate themselves and ensure they set a good example for the public. Public trust in these institutions heavily depends on how they handle cases like this with transparency, justice, and without bias. Leave your thoughts in the comments, like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any interesting information about economics, geopolitics, history, facts, and world events. See you in the next video.